In this video, we'll show you how to operate the Thermo Scientific 1500 Series A2 Biosafety Cabinet in standby mode. When the cabinet is plugged in but the fans are off, we call that idle mode. When the fans are on and the window is closed, the fans slow down and consume less energy. We call that standby mode. The most energy efficient way to run your BSC is to turn the fans and lights on when you're using it and the fans and lights off when you're not. More realistically, keep the fans and lights on during the part of the day when you work with the cabinet and keep them off at other times. When the cabinet is in operation, it's drawing approximately 190 watts. When you are not actively using the cabinet but want to operate more efficiently, you can simply close the window. This will slow down the fans for standby mode. In standby, because the fans are moving at reduced speed and the light is out, the cabinet draws less energy, about 70 watts. This is a helpful feature for applications or facilities where the policy is to leave the cabinets on all the time. Going from always on in standard operation to standard operation for 40 hours per week and standby for the remainder of the hours can help reduce energy consumption. This can also extend filter life because you will be pulling less dirty air through the filters and they shouldn't need to be replaced as often. This table shows the annual energy usage of a 4-foot 1500 A2 BSC with an 8-inch window. You see that the most energy efficient approach is to only keep the cabinet on when in use or the lab is active. The next most energy efficient option is to set the energy to operate in standby mode during the non-work hours. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope it has been helpful. For more information, please visit thermofisher.com/BSC.